eventually if we receive some visitor from another galaxies come, look, same human being. Maybe little different sort of shapes. But basically same. Then furthermore, same sentient being. Respect them. Look at them as the same sentient being. We can immediately shake hand. If they have some sort of similar hand there, then we can shake hand. If we too much consider, we have too much emphasis, we are human being on this planet, then something is to come from outside, a stranger, always watchful. That creates more anxiety, more fear. So since my sort of childhood, I always see mixing with people, and especially those, including sweepers. I love these sort of sweepers. They are more honest than those officials. Yeah. So, when I ask, you see, certain questions to sweeper, they answer very openly, including criticism about the regent, about some sort of high lamas or high officials. No hesitation. Very frank, very open. When I ask the same question to some officials, then they say, something happened, but still very good. That kind of attitude, more polite. So you see, because you see their own position, they consider their position is something important. Those sweepers, I think they are talking on the level of a human being, like that. So therefore, it is really important. You see, we must think we are same human being. Sometimes you see, some book you see wrote about Tibet, third eye, then maybe consider something different to human being. Then Tibetans should consider something special, something different. So in any way, so we are same human being, so we must think. Now here, sometimes you see people fond to make distinction east and west. Silly. No sufficient reasons. We are same human being. I think one clear example, Easterner can easily, happily marry with Westerner and can produce nice children. So that means we are same human being. We cannot marry with monkey or with some other. We cannot produce. I think we can sex with these animals, but we cannot produce good children. Okay. So that is sufficient to sort of prove we are same human being. So like that. So therefore, once we have, you see, this sort of strong belief we are same human being,